Fan Friday. Today's question is very simple. Do Shiloh and Shelby know how to howl? Let's find out. Really? You don't say. Is that all? You're insane. Girls are silly. So what do you think, guys? Do you think they know how to howl? Do you think they're pretty good at it? We think they're pretty good at it. Happy Fan Friday, you guys! We didn't get any pictures or packages in the mail, so we don't have any of that to share with you guys this Friday, so just the one question. We're kind of busy. Are we busy? Want to tell them what we're busy doing? We're getting ready to go on a huge camping trip next week. We actually won't be home Friday or Monday. I'm going to try to get some videos set up to automatic upload, but we'll see if we have time to do that. We are taking Shiloh and Shelby camping, and my sister and a friend of ours. Aren't we? We're going camping? Do you want to go camping? Hiking in the woods? Want to go hiking in the woods? I know, you're so excited. Are you so excited? We're very excited. Labor Day weekend, we're going on a big camping trip. So, like I said, we've been a little bit busy lately. It's a good thing, though, right? It's a good thing. So, again, thanks for watching, you guys. We'll see you on Monday. And if you want to see us before Monday, be sure to check out our second channel, our vlog channel, at youtube.com/withoutthesnowdogs. And yes, it may be called Without the Snow Dogs, but Shiloh and Shelby make frequent appearances. We named it that because we didn't want that channel to focus on the dogs. We wanted it to be more about our lives in general. This channel is mainly about the dogs. Right? Because you guys are awesome, aren't you? Oh, the battery ran out. Our camera is dying. Okay, say bye. Want to wave? Bye. No, just kidding. You want to wave? Bye. All right, thanks a lot, you guys. We'll see you on Monday. Or like I said, check out our vlog channel, and you can see us sooner than that. Goodbye. We wanted to let you know that we have chosen a winner for last Friday's t-shirt giveaway for us hitting 1 million views. We've contacted the person to make sure that they want the t-shirt. If they don't, we will pick somebody else. So I'm not going to announce it just yet because we're still waiting on a response. Look at that big yawn. Look at that happy girl. Happy, happy, shy. Bye. If you would like to mail any drawings or letters, pictures, postcards, or packages to Shiloh and Shelby for Fan Friday, you can mail it to Gone to the Snow Dogs, P.O. Box 12, Alpena, Michigan 49707. And if you have questions for Fan Friday, please leave them in the comment section below or post them on Facebook or on Twitter. Thanks, you guys.
Look, it'd be cool to see him, but I'm not in no rush.
Listen, what are you doing? Are you talking to him?